Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Bright Star Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
A little, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of yes? Are you healthy or are you unwell?
Healthy, ma'am.
You are healthy.
Yes.
Okay, our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Agree, ma'am. Yes.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am. First time.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Good day, ma'am. I'm Angelita Abunita. I'm 36 years old. I'm a single parent of 4 kids. Alam, may dumaan na namang ads.
Okay, help me introduce yourself again.
Good day, ma'am. I'm Angelita Abunita. I'm 36 years old. I'm single parent of 4 kids.
Okay, I need to know some
Weight
few more details from you, yeah?
weight is 60 kilos, then height 5'4".
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you. You mentioned that you are a single parent, right? And you have 4 kids.
Yes, ma'am.
How old are those children?
Yung pinaka bata. 12 years old, ma'am.
How old are those children, ate? You have 4 kids. Then how old are those 4 kids?
First, 19 years old. Second one is 17 years old. Third one, 15 years old. Then last, 12 years old.
Okay, so you mentioned that you are a single parent. Who will going to take care of these children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
Mother and sister.
When is your birthday?
Um, 19 years old na, first,
When is your birthday?
ay, September 8, 1988, ma'am, sorry.
What is your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
What is your educational background?
Undergraduate ng high school.
It's okay. So you mentioned that your mother will going to take care of your 4 kids, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Did they allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
Mother is 68 years old.
Okay.
Then strong pa.
What is her job?
No.
Housewife.
Yes, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
Boys is 8, then girls is 4.
Then what is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, the third?
Last.
You are the last. What about your father? How old is your father and what is his occupation?
No, ma'am.
What kind of no? You don't have father.
Die.
Oh, deceased already, okay? So, this is your first time working abroad. Who will going to take care of your, do you have any working experience as a housemaid?
Yes, ma'am.
In which place in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
In which place in the Philippines?
Which place of the Philippines?
In which part in the Philippines? Is it in Manila,
Manila,
province?
ma'am. Manila.
How many years you work there?
2022, then 2024. 2 years.
Okay, what is your job responsibilities to your previous employment in Manila?
All around.
Can you elaborate with me? Can you share it with me? What are your primary duties? What did you do there?
Cooking, cleaning, wash and clothes, then
Okay.
take care of child.
How old is the child that you take care?
2 years old, ma'am.
One only?
Yes.
Did you do ironing there?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? Why you wanted to work here as a domestic helper? Do you have any idea how hard it is being an OFW? Why you wanted to work as a domestic helper? Because this is not an easy job.
Because a small salary here, ma'am, in Philippines.
Okay, so, are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to be
Ready.
flexible. You need to be multitasking. So, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
You will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Are you aware of it?
Yes, ma'am.
Breaching or terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency. Nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Correct. Yes.
Correct, ah?
Yes, ma'am. Correct. Correct.
Are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am. I
Are,
try.
okay, are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ashura.
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day. And you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Are you aware of it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
On your rest day also, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will
Yes,
going to
ma'am.
stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay, or do you agree or you disagree?
Agree, ma'am. Yes. Okay.
We just wanted to be specific in our initial interview because we don't want that once you come to work here in Malaysia, you will going to demand us about all these things and you will give us trouble. No such a thing because in our initial interview, I did clarify our rules and regulations and you also agree, right?
Right, ma'am. Yes.
What will you do if you feel homesick, if you sad and if you miss your family? What will you do?
I can clean the house and wash and clothes, make up busy, clean
You
the
make
house,
yourself
then
busy.
yes, clean the house and wash and clothes.
Okay, so Angelita, always remind yourself why you wanted to go abroad. Don't bring what you are doing in the Philippines here in Malaysia. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. You need to follow the rules and regulations. You need to respect the culture of your employer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem or any concerns, you inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Thank you so much and have a good day.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you din.
Thank
Pasensya
you.
na po.